Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to add a shipping order from the load board in MercuryGate. So to begin, I'm going to hover over this plus sign to the top left of your screen near your menu. Select Add Shipping Order. It's going to ask you to select an enterprise level that you want to add this at, which would usually be your customer. You can begin to type in the name of the customer and it will bring up any customer that has SAND. These are our sandbox customers, so I'm just going to select sandbox customer 1. So now you can see here, enterprise sandbox customer 1. It automatically populates a bill to location and payment terms according to the configurations that we have in place. You can manually type in the pickup or origin information, or you can use saved locations. I'm going to go ahead and select Mentor, Ohio, which is one of our saved locations. It automatically populates today's date. However, you can change that. And it could be next week, and you can also put in a multiple date range if it could be picking up today or tomorrow, and also times. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at just today's date at 8 a.m., but we're going to go ahead and change this to 5 p.m. or 1700. We're going to use military time. Now, if I scroll down, we're going to need to enter our item information. I'm going to enter just 2 pallets, 1,500 pounds. We also have the ability to add dimensions. So if I select inches, say my pallets are 48 by 48 by 48. You can add a commodity. You don't have to add a commodity. These fields can be configured to be required or not. In our demonstration, we don't have any of these as required fields. So you could just add the pallets and the weight, and that would actually be enough information to create the shipping order. But you can also add freight class, cube, value of your items, an NMFC number, temperature controlled if it happens to be, and whether or not it's returnable. I'm going to scroll down to our drop or our destination, and I'm going to look for a saved location again. This time I'm going to choose Albany, New York. But once again, you can manually type in that information if you don't have a saved location. I'm going to go ahead and say this is going to not deliver until Monday the 19th. I'll change that. We'll say anywhere between 8 and 5 p.m. And so now you can see we have our 2 pallets going from Mentor, Ohio to Albany, New York. Now we have the option also to create copies of this one shipping order if you happen to have more than one order that you need to put in that has the same origin destination. So you could create copies, or you can just select Create Shipping Order. And then here in just a moment, it'll pop up on the right of my screen, the new shipping order created, 13456. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh. And now we can see we have our new shipping order in a pending status.
Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.